Hey Ethan, Heather here. I just wanted to talk about a few math things and try to explain a few things. So first question is a true or false. First just want to say like a perpendicular line that like forms, it's two lines that meet, they form a right angle, looks like a T. So yeah, for the first question, I drew two lines that are perpendicular to the same line. And as you can see, since they aren't even touching each other, they can't be perpendicular. Therefore, that first question is false. The second question is false because well, I drew an imaginary plane, that big box, and it says all coplanar lines are parallel, and that is false because just lines can be anything. They can be x's and within a plane, so they all can't be parallel. So that's false. And number three is true because if two lines are perpendicular, they are touching each other. Therefore, they will be within the same plane, like the same area. So yeah, that's true. And number four is kind of the same thing, just it's true. So two lines that are parallel, well, it says two segments that are parallel, which they're within lines. They are also coplanar. So two lines or segments that are going together are usually in the same plane, so they're coplanar, and that is true. And number five is false because two segments as I drew, they both have the same endpoint B, but they are not perpendicular. They can be any angle. So if they're perpendicular, they have to be a 90-degree right angle, and these are not. So that's not always true, it's false. All right, so for questions 6 through 14, we have to use this crazy looking diagram and figure out a bunch of shit. For 6, it asks for the alternate interior angle of GFC. So when they're asking about interior angles, it's going to be in between the two parallel lines running across the page. So specifically for this one, GFC is the one I've highlighted, and the answer is BCA because it's also an interior angle and it's like the on the opposite side of that line um, that is running past the two parallel lines.